Now, this is how you can fill out PDF forms on the iPhone. It is pretty simple to do so let's get into it. You will likely need a third-party app for it. The solution I'm going to show you requires you to get an app from the App Store. There are more options to pick from, but I'm going to go with the Jet Sign Fill and Sign PDF documents, which is free to download with some optional in-app purchases. Now, let's say I have this document in my Gmail, so I can open it up like this, and let's say it's an attachment of my email. What I can click on here is the share button, and from the selection of available apps, I'm going to click on more and find the app called JetSign that we just downloaded. So we're going to click on that. It's going to open up as a new document, and it's going to be opened up in here. So you can choose like who is signing. I'm going to pick just me. And then I have a couple of different like forms which I can click on, and obviously it's just a, sample document, but I can click on any like bracket. I can tap on this and it gives me the ability to either add a signature, initials, date, name, text, or the check mark icon. So I can click on text, for example, and type something in. I can click on the little box and add the check mark icon, right? So it might be there really nicely. I can even just slightly move it a little bit to ensure that it is in the proper space. Then I can click on the signature and just sign in with my finger, then click on continue, and there's like my signature there. So once I'm happy, I can just click on complete, and I can just export it or just complete it as a guest, whatever, right? And this document is going to be downloaded. So I can just download it or send it to myself as an email, and I can easily just fill it out if it's any kind of PDF form. So that's it. I'm going to leave you with this. Obviously more third-party apps to go with, but I quite like this one. It's pretty simple to use. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials, and I'll see you in the future.